Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Citra Rahayu. Here I will make a speech and tell it the young generation who wants to live instantly. Peace be upon us all on this valuable opportunity. I would like to convey my views and reflection on the phenomenon that is increasingly striking in the lives of the younger generation, namely the desire to live instantly. We cannot deny that technological advances have brought various convenience and comforts to our daily life. Along with that, we are also seeing more and more young people being exposed to instant culture, where everything can be accessed quickly and without difficulty. But the question is, does instant life awards bring happiness? Does it lasting satisfaction in quick and easy accomplishment? Younger generation, we have to think about the impact of this drive for instant result. As we get used to convenience and speed, the rise is a loss of essential values such as vantage, perseverance, and resilience to challenges. Through success, not only the fix of victory, but also in a long journey, which is full of obstacles and failures. Let not fall into the illusion that happiness can be found in just an instant. Satisfying success requires sustained effort, time, and commitment. We must learn to appreciate the learning process, the mistakes that may occur, and the growth as individuals through this experience. As we seek immediate gratification, let us also recognize that a meaningful and fulfilling life cannot be achieved in a short time. The younger generation has great potential to create positive change in society, but this requires perseverance, dedication, and hard work. Thus, let's together develop an attitude of surrender, perseverance, and focus our vision, while maintaining a balance with technology and install facilities. We must also appreciate the values that underlie true success. Life is not a sprint race, but more like a marathon that requires stamina, perseverance, and strong determination. Thank you all for attention. Hopefully, we can all become a generation that not only wants an instant life but is also ready to undertake an meaningful journey towards to success. That's enough. I apologize if there are many wrong words in pronunciation.